I think I'm recording, okay. Hello! We are at the Blizzard 2011. Jeff and Brian are shoveling. There they are. There's probably close to 20 inches of snow, I think, that we got in this area. But as you can see, it's quite the mound. There's our truck that was just covered. We're in the garage and there's this, well, about 3.5 foot wall of snow in certain areas. There's Kristen. And as you can see, whoa, down the neighborhood, there's other people shoveling, trying to get out of their driveways. These people are trying to get their van out. It's quite exhausting for them, shoveling, of course. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Here's Brian and Jeff shoveling the driveway, trying to dig the car out. January 2nd, 2011. Most snow we've had since 1999. See, I'm contributing to the effort.
Yeah, that's Teresa's attempt at shoveling. It's really something.
I started throwing it this way, but it's their walk. Sorry, shovel.
Here's our neighborhood, and our next door neighbor's driveway is underneath that pile somewhere.